Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best cast iron skillet Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Lodge 12-inch cast iron skillet. After conducting a series of tests with many cast iron pans out, the Lodge cast iron skillet has proven to be one of the best dived pans available on the market. At first glance, it is a suitable product for many kitchen activities such as grilling, roasting, baking, roasting, and frying. This pan solves all users with a simple interface. Natural and thanks be spiced oil. This feature helps improve productivity. Products is iron pan with each use. This casts a tool that performs excellently in induction cooking plates, such as the comfort of the furnace in the inner grill or stove or campfire. This pan model does not compromise style, but says that his hands are held safe during usage. Overall, which is a great product that was from Family Lodge, a brand that has been developing high-quality cookware since 1896. In Pittsburgh, this company built not only in cookware quality, but also on the value of family and American history. Made with any product that gets a piece of American craftsmanship handed down from one generation to you down. Enjoy all your favorite foods and other slow cooker recipes with this skillet. Number 2. Our second best pick is Utopia Kitchen Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Skillet. The pre-seasoned pan Utopia is a multifunctional product ready for with all your cooking needs. Whether you are baking, frying, roasting or simmering, this pan everything you need and more. All kitchen utensils of Utopia design are taken by many factory stages of pre-seasoning, to ensure that all users have a cast iron guarantee pan, which is always ready as soon as it is removed from the box. This cast iron pan is seasoned with soybean oil to create a layer of initial work before boiling. 15 rounds of nature are worth from a layer by experienced factory to a single shot equivalent. Therefore, this pan is taken by many as a much cheaper option into consideration. Not regardless of the type of electrical heat source, either gas, induction, or ceramic, this pan can be easily used in cast iron. Number 3. Our third best pick is Amazon Basics Cast Iron Skillet. The Amazon Cast Iron Skillet is 15 inches kitchenware used by many beginners and enthusiasts for professional cooking techniques such as roasting, frying pan, roasting, grilling, frying, baking and many more. Once this pot reaches a consumer, it is pre-seasoned and ready to use. It also ensures that the pan has a substantially longer life. This kitchen was to get seasoned with vegetable oil and also to prevent food from sticking to your surface. For heating and optimum heat retention, this cast iron pan has a structure with high-strength cast iron. Explore new healthy recipes, improve, or a few of his favorite creations. Buy as used, it is not necessary, the food out of the pan to remove, simply move from the oven to the serving table. Save up to detergent with this seasoned previously molten iron pan. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Large Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Skillet by Victoria. The large, pre-seasoned cast iron skillet Victoria takes all identity in a traditional pan and there is a big facelift. It is in short, love a better version of what you know and. The nature and tradition of this pan is unique and cannot be found in any other brand. Made in Colombia, all cast iron pans are made by Victoria with European casting machines, with just enough smart innovation, highly functional products still have heritage. The true connection with your Victoria pan is made of cast iron I use and has an experienced pan with vegetable oil known as linseed oil. All cookware made of cast iron produced by Victoria cast from recycled iron melts and then cleaned, transforming the back iron to its purest form. There is also virtually zero waste in our clean and efficient factories, so that a pan Victoria pans of great reputation in the market. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Skillet. The formed pre-flavored iron pan is a piece of oven cookware that comes in a set of 2 parts and is suitable for use on induction stoves, grills and cooking burners. It is one of the few pans that allows it use both indoors and outdoors. The makers of this pan have passed their material through several stages of rigorous testing to ensure that users with nothing offered but the highest quality utensils. Enjoy all cooking techniques with this pan: stew and spices for cooking and frying, roasting and grilling. There is much more to this pan that can help you with experiment, especially if you are not sure about a frying pan to use, as it is one to make the most cookware currently on the market. For long-term reliability and respects their iron pans that have the ability to endure years of regular washing and cooking that is already seasoned. Maintenance, however, does not come to an end. Your pan should be washed, periodically cleaned and seasoned with natural oils. Washing dishes and using soap is not allowed. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.